Hello! In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Anaconda. Anaconda is a program that will allow you to install specialized software in a standardized way. For example, if I want to install the program NCBI Genome Download, I can go to the GitHub repository where this program is installed and read through the instructions. Different programs have different instructions. Some will require pip, others will require to compile the binaries, etc. Many of these programs are now in Anaconda. The first thing we need to do is to install Anaconda in our system. We can go to Tools and then download the Anaconda Linux installation file from the website. We have downloaded the file into this directory. We can type bash and the name of the file to install it. Answer yes. Hit enter to install it in the same location. And then type yes to initialize Anaconda. We may have to restart Immobile Extern for the changes to take effect. Now, if we want to install any packages, we can go to the Bioconda website and search for the name of the package. For example, if I want to install genometools, I will search for genometools and copy the instructions to install. In Anaconda, you can also have multiple environments where you have different software in each of them. That way, you can compartmentalize your software if there are conflicts between their dependencies.